to show you how to access my virtual page via Clever. So on your iPad, first you're going to find the little blue compass at the bottom. That's Safari. When you tap on that, your job is to find Clever and use your R2D2 to log in. Once you've logged in with your R2D2, you're going to see Mrs. Mars Music Room. Tap on that and then you're going to scroll down to see the music games. Under the games, you're going to find a whole lot of different activities that you can play. But today, we're going to be going to Mrs. Mars virtual room. When you click on that, it's going to take you directly to my virtual room. You'll notice once it opens that every single thing in my room is clickable. So you might notice that maybe you want to check out what that spider is on top of the piano, or maybe you want to play Note and Rest Grab with me. If you click on Note and Rest Grab, you get to play the game where you send the soccer balls into the right spot. Let's say you want to read the story way down deep in the deep blue sea with me. When you tap that, it sends you to... Let's say you want to not do that. You want to check out what's going on with Perry the sheep, or you want to see why there's a box of macaroni and cheese in there. Whatever it is that you do, I want you to do 3 activities, and then we're going to talk about which activity was your favorite and why. That's about it. I'll see you when you're finished.